8012 Rochelle. So I'm just going to go over some items with you. These two were rekeyed, as well as these two here. When that happens, they're not just installing the new hardware, they're actually taking the mechanism apart and making sure the pins are all aligned. So only one key is necessary. This was installed yesterday. Self-closing hinges were installed on the garage door. They cleaned and cleared the upstairs hall drain yesterday. Janitorials today at about 3 p.m. Looks like I could use some more grout. The fan is now up. The walls look great. And of course this will be cleaned up with the janitorial. So there we go.